Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily add table captions in WordPress, a simple trick that can make your tables more informative, accessible, and professional. By the end of this video, you'll be able to caption your tables like a pro, so let's dive in. First, open your browser and head over to the WordPress homepage. Click on the login button in the top right corner. For a quick and secure access, you can choose Continue with Google. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Next, locate the Quick Links section and click on Edit Site. This will open the site editor where you can modify your pages and post dynamically. This is where all the magic happens for your tables. Scroll through your content to find the table you want to edit. Click on it to activate editing mode. You'll notice the block is highlighted, which means it's ready for customization. Now, look at the top toolbar and click on the Add Caption icon. A text field will appear right below your table. Here, type a clear, concise, and relevant description for your table. Make it informative so your readers understand the data at a glance. When writing your caption, keep your site's style in mind and use descriptive language. Proper captions improve accessibility for all users and make your tables much easier to understand. Finally, review your table and caption carefully. A well-captioned table not only looks professional, but also enhances user experience and content clarity. Once everything looks good, save your changes. And that's it. Adding table captions in WordPress is that simple. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.